Nakitlong kari kasi. Ngiwan lam siya pi ko sngur bakhuit parpasngam. Ka beats aqua. Sipausnem dang yai pinja sliang.
Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki paidba bat ke sarkar jala Meghalaya ne ka sngi gila saki ya jingpli paidba ya ka karkhana shna plywood ka batmai ka blatip kum ka dhar ply ha ka snong narbong bernihat ka badai jong u nong sengkam u bapaw nam ka jala uma ngai lang dhar hagni ka jingpli ya ka karkhana shna plywood dhar ply lai simbantaru menteri ramba ka jala Konrad Kongkel Sangma rengkat bagi arngut kesimbut menteri rangba uba preston tensong pada ba snyau phalang thar naloki menteri sarkar jong gejala ki MLA ki MDC ki head officer sarkar bar ki babon ki nong sengkam bat ki riu rangba nakaleng jong gejala la sakhiru ya ka jingadon lang ki bahing sem ki parlo ki parajor bat ki ba eid bathoin jong ka yeng sem uma ngai lang thar ki belawan ban kersan ban saki ya ka jingpli ya ka tei ka karkhana ka dhar plai ka de gwai ni ki karkhana sna plywood ka ba he hapo Meghalaya pada ka than jite la mingi ka ba la khmelenti ba kan pinyo kam yo jam ye ki spangut ki khon samla kani ka karkhana kan pendon kam de ki ding teli ban pinmi ki plywood ki ba paka ki ba ansa shalan tang hapo Meghalaya henry wat ki wei pat ki jala jongkari India haba kren na kani sngi menteri rangba baru sembut menteri rangba ki pau ya ka jing snow sarong pat yaro yo ma ngai lang dhar pa ya ka yeng sem jong u halo ka jingla ban punur long ya kani ka project ka ba he bat ka badon jinkermen ya ka jela kita kinong elam sarkar ki long bagani ka karkhana kam dei tang ka jing ya chaprang haka kam khahi pateng andai ka long ru ka lat ban kintiu ya ka yo khokot bar kan pli lat pli lintiru ya ki khun samla jong ka jela haka liang ka yo kam yo jam susu kila yero yo ma ngai lang kumu breu uba minot uba trejitom uba nes kem haka thong badu batrei khlam na pensngap than ye ki jing kan tho kilong ba ka jing job jong u kadai ka nuksa ka bapha ye ki samla pa ka jing mentoy tang ye ka yeng ka sem andre ye ka jela hi boro ka wei
I request the ushers to come.
Hence, contributing to infrastructure, taking out your valuable time to be here. Your gracious presence has made this satisfactory. We aim and hope to contribute to the region's development by endeavor, but also symbolizes our vision of strength, determination. This would never have been possible. On behalf of the entire Dhar, this start this auspicious day, let us take a brief moment to honor and appreciate the all.
मेघालय के मुख्यमंत्री कोऑर्डिनेट के सामने हार फ्लाई का उद्घाटन करते हुए सीधी तस्वीरें आप एनी न्यूज पर सीधी तस्वीरें आप देख रहे हैं। समारोह के बाद मूल मंडप की ओर बढ़ते हुए कॉर्नेट के साथ जी हमारे साथ है। सर, क्या मैं आपके साथ 2 मिनट के लिए जुड़ सकता हूँ? प्रोग्राम खत्म
ngaku mu beriu wapila aktivis rai baro ala sedang bisnes lagi kontrak bisnes ding nado meswa kumta ter ila sedang mempersangkat bala ibor berit ala poi kumbolong mentas ngilala man penurlong ya ke plywood industry mendon mano lani ki wei ki perlo ki partner lani ki wei mendon mano ngidon hitang ngisi family tang family jong ile jong hi pengila pengkre pengila senai kene tangadap ke jing snokman mendai ke jing snokman ke bangala la man senai ke jing factory lani bukan kamai kan kamai spa yang kajing kemen ke jonga pengas ngubang ke pasal tunggu tenat pengala la pan penroy industri apa state pan ngalala ro pan aikam yagi bru jong igi lokal ginong tray apa gani ke factory kumalai spa san pangud ay ginong tray kuban sayo bandung ni kata gadai ke pengas ngau tenat pengas ngubang tengah hangin ke por ngarong amdon ban keren sibun tengah butang kajing kerpat ya ki prolog ki perjor gidon ki prolog ki tekharu gidon ki kasiru gidon tengah gua panong tanggawai lada pi ki prolog lada pi mailang kajing ke support bangin peniai ya ki factory sikman lese laban long ke factory ke bamyak bah lada pi ki pralog prajur ki bawan sekilang hang ne pia ailang ke support pia ailang ke jing yara bangino gino ki benta ngangai kan laban ya sekmat mentang yala sna kan gawai lese lada kayat kum bangi plan harang nang laban sna sagawai arteli susu kum gane tengah hang ni por ngamdon ban keren sibun nama ngaku mutrai dengan keren ya gai tengah bau sajisen ke jingai ku belai pi baro ku ba pilai wan pilai perlu di por ku jong pi disibet swa ba pin lek ngo ba ban ye cimbenta agi bam gidi agi cha gidut ki mengila pengkre hadin badat bam jadi dengan ye lek pa ye lagi jong yang disem ba ngin ye po sup po san kumbangi wan sene ngin po cheng ro kumbangi lagi kumumut tangini kiten kublai sibun kublai chejarmu.
The owners of the business houses in Meghalaya as well as outside Meghalaya, like our neighboring state Assam. So therefore, this is the moment with pride I should say Mangai lang, you lead the way, and I'm sure the generation to come will also follow your footsteps. Ki perlok baik, ki lom kemi, ki lom kepang, ya don hamne ki riu rangba berok ngam dajar kerteng su namar kapur kalaya state. Da kabas ngeungu, da kabas ngeuburom, ya kajing syakot skau baha jongi parok, ya kene kajing play, ya kene ka industry, ka bengi ong ka dahar play industry. Apo kajing peniat, kajing penbit, kajing penbiang jong imang ngai landar, bat kaying kasen parok. Mangat nakaliang jongi, nakaliang jong ka sorkar, barngangik skemruk, nakaliang kinong snong, jong ka jelam ikala jongi. Ngin yai sa pertu, ya kanika history ke bapi, pilakrit, hapok ka jelam ka jongi. Batru kaban ay mensim lem ya kiwepat. Kabang ateng-teng nas ngaukia kelong bahaba ki jongi kikir teng-teng ngayo i kisdang bantan patulun pan penhiar ya kibaku ngin ya penkut no ya kani ai bakani ka history ka bau mangai lang ukli mentakasni kan pelong yang bagi pi yang i baru bangin ang ai susu ka kerku ka kerdo bau ni rangba unang la susu lesi ban ple sa kiwei pat kilat kilenti nakabenta bakin yo kam yo jam kibriu jong kajela kastit Meghalaya barokaway ngakan mau akapor bangi dangrit ngidang yelet school abang yelet teng sa Guwahati kabang yo i hagitu ki post nem mensua don tang kaway ka industry ka badai ka plywood bat kata mikot ka Meghalaya plywood ka ba ulit bauri uway na ki business jong ka jela Meghalaya jongi ulaseng ang ne hapo pernihan ngakan mau bahaya kata kapor yo i ki bapun ba ki products ki bamik leng bajo kidin ki boy hanne habernihat bad nangta kaya keleng saudong joko north east bad kumju keleng saudong joko India DKE kabangamot banong kalong mi bujli mentah da kanika kerteng kedahar pelayu kaba ngiyawan ban saki ban kli ya kanika factory ban ngakermen scam pamentang ibdon kamsu ban pa ya ki raw materials sabar jong ka jela ka jong ngrei lemba jong kanika factory in yo ya kita kabingi juong ki finished products but in the sha ki wei pat ki jela lemba jong kanika factory.
At the very outset, I would like to thank Manaitlang for having invited me to be part of this program. And I also would like to congratulate the entire team that has been behind the setting up of this magnificent factory, which I'm sure, apart from creating hundreds of job opportunities, is also going to be a factory and a unit known for its quality products and will be one of the better players in the entire plywood industry. Friends, in the last 8 years of the governance of our MDA government, we had set a vision in front of us. And that vision, which was to take forward our economy, create livelihood, and to make Meghalaya among the top 10 states in the country. This vision was driven by a very aggressive government policy to increase government spending, mobilize resources from all over the country, invest in infrastructure, invest in administrative strengthening, and also to create the environment where we would be able to bring in more and more private investment. It is only through these two major channels or two major factors
can we see consistent growth in any state or country's gross domestic product. And as all of you know, that because of this consistent work that we have been doing, today Meghalaya's growth rate is above the national average. Meghalaya, in the last ranking, was the second fastest growing economy, competing with states like Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, at that level, where many people never thought that Meghalaya could even dream of competing. And most importantly, the growth story of Meghalaya is not one where you simply see one spike and there's a growth in one particular year, which can happen accidentally. But Meghalaya's growth story has been very, very consistent. And if you look at the last 3 to 4 years, Meghalaya is the only state in the country which has grown consistently at real GDP growth of 10% on average, year on year, year on year. And friends, this can only happen if you have focus, if there is consistency in what we do, if there is confidence in the market and confidence in the infrastructure creation and confidence among the investors, that there is stability, there is political stability in Meghalaya, which leads to policy stability, which leads to consistency. And that is the story of Meghalaya in the last 8 years. But what is most important is that this journey is just beginning. We have just laid the foundations. We have miles to go and huge targets to achieve. But what I am most happy and satisfied is that people have started recognizing Meghalaya.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda pitrai kami kabisa. Balik itu nah adu kami.
Kenapa kami kami?
Mana bawan kata baci?
Lawan.
Lawan pun.
Ila kham stom mentah.
Bila su palan. Wan num dan jeng tiang ni ai. Mentah tu penhiar mensiam suki-suki bat ngamo.
Kali jauh nak ni?
Ba, ka hospital te kala ajngai nang ni. Kabai kali pan?
Kabai kali latip ke sarkar.
Binti Ashwa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu. Wat ku selaitan. Ba kan dekat skim kalau ya rap cibun ya kelong yang kum jong pi. Shim kan eka bam. Ku beli cibun sister. Ngiran kaman siwi ai.
Em peruk kalau hika sarkar.
Ku beli cibun. Ila dan aku jaga kau bapak.
ke sarkar ka ajarap ikit kiba ablang.
Kublai shibun.
Sister, hapsiu kat nama?
Ka sarkar kala siulat ikijing lut jing separo.
Kabli sibuan ma.
Ngi ki bakar do ngampoi perkhat banyo kum kani kajing yarap. Hawat kan?
Kanika Chief Minister Safe Motherhood Scheme. Kalau ay jing rap yang isibon bah kipat ba.